So as a consultant, one thing that I work a lot with my clients is a needs assessment and really identifying where they are right now and what their goals are for the future, and then being able to create a plan that's individualized for them. And so I talk a lot about challenges ending up in one of two buckets. And so a client could come to me and really be struggling with their systems. And so they have no automations in place. They have no systems for their business that allows the day to day to function smoothly. So I could go in and give them, the most expensive system, train their team on it. But the one missing link in that other bucket is team alignment. And so we also train on values and mission and philosophy and tie in team and leadership assessments to ensure that both their team represents their values in their business or their practice, and that their systems are aligned with that as well. And that is just the foundation for success. That is square one. And it may seem like a lot to accomplish. Um, but it really sets that foundation for success, and that's what I say often. And then I take it one step further to be able to identify their target market or their ideal client or patient, and then align their brand messaging with that. And so we do website development, digital marketing, we write content for our clients as well. And one thing that I always, always recommend is if you show up authentically online and you are answering your client's main concern, meaning that they have this challenge and your service answers their questions to that challenge, they're already stepping foot through your office door or your clinic door, feeling that they've built trust for you before they've even met you. And that's a retention strategy that really does not cost a lot of money because you don't have to throw tons of marketing and ad dollars to be able to build trust online.